What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your card to draft. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in card or you can type in card.co. After that, you will be redirected to this official website of card. But if you are redirected to this Google search, click on this first official website of card and after clicking you will see this type of dashboard wherein if you are new you will see the option of choose a starting point. Click on this and then choose your new or blank document, or you can just choose from this pre-built templates. Select, and when you will select a template you will see the option of signing up. So just sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new card account. But if you already have an account, simply click on Open Dashboard. And after opening your dashboard, you will see all your sites that you have created. So for you, I will go with all the start. I will click on choose a starting point. And when I will select template, let's say this one, it will open it here in my screen, and on the right side you will see the option of publish this site. Click on this, and when you are new you will be asked to enter your name, ID, password and email. And to create your new password, just enter those details and then you will be able to save your website as draft. So you need to give a title every time you create a draft website or any of the website, and you also need a description. And when you are done, in the action section you will see to save as an online draft. Check this checkbox and click on save. And when you are done, this will open a publishing bar, and finally a pop-up will appear of done, site successfully saved as draft. When you click on OK, and when you go to all your sites dashboard, you will see all the draft or all the published websites here on your site's dashboard. So this is how you can save your card to draft. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.